Welcome to AchooAllergy.com. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Miele Olympus. As the introductory model to the Miele canister line of vacuum cleaners, the Olympus retains some of the great features that you find with all Miele vacuums, but at a lower price point. In terms of floors, the Olympus comes with a combo tool. It works well on both smooth floors, as well as some low-pile carpet and rugs. The Olympus also comes standard with the 3 mini accessories: dusting brush, mattress nozzle, and crevice tool. They attach via the Vario clip. This vacuum also comes standard with rotary dial controls, as well as an on-off pedal and an automatic cord rewind. Though the S2 models lack the sealed system that come with a lot of the other Miele canisters, it still does have the 9-ply GN dust bag, as well as a super air clean filter and a pre-motor filter. At less than 10 pounds, the Olympus is very lightweight. It's also quiet and comes standard with Miele's 7-year warranty. Thank you for checking it out, and thank you for visiting AchooAllergy.com.